Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless ratchets available on the market for their true quality and value. Whether you're a professional mechanic, DIY enthusiast, or need a tool for occasional home repairs, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, the Milwaukee 2457-20 M12 Cordless Ratchet offers reliable performance at $71. This tool is part of Milwaukee's highly regarded M12 system, known for its durability and compatibility with a wide range of tools. While it lacks a battery and charger, it delivers 35 foot-pounds of torque and a rotational speed of 250 RPM, making it ideal for light to medium-duty applications. The Ratchet features a low-profile head design, making it perfect for working in confined spaces like an engine bay. The forward-reverse switch is recessed to prevent accidental activations, and the onboard fuel gauge helps you keep track of battery life during use. Plus, the LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Build quality is excellent, with a combination of alloy steel and plastic that feels both sturdy and lightweight. While this is a solid option, its lower torque compared to others on this list might leave heavy-duty users wanting more. It's a great choice for those already invested in the M12 ecosystem, or anyone needing a reliable, compact ratchet for smaller tasks. Pros include great build quality, compatibility with the M12 system, and ease of use. Cons are the lack of included battery and charger, and lower torque output. Coming in at number 3 is the AOBen Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, priced at $56.24. This tool offers a great balance of power and affordability, making it a top pick for DIYers and professionals alike. With 40 foot-pounds of torque and a variable speed of up to 280 RPM, it handles a variety of tasks with ease, from automotive repairs to home projects. One standout feature is the inclusion of two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, meaning you'll always have a backup ready to go. The LED light on the front illuminates your workspace, while the air-cooled motor ensures stable performance even during prolonged use. The kit also includes 6 sockets, a 1/4-inch adapter, an extension bar, and a sturdy carrying case, giving you everything you need to get started. The AOBen Ratchet is a versatile and well-rounded option, but its slightly heavier weight might be a drawback for extended use. Overall, it's a fantastic value for the price. Pros include the dual battery setup, robust build, and comprehensive kit. Cons are the heavier weight and slightly slower RPM compared to competitors. At number 2, we have the Chemo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, priced at $59.89. This tool stands out for its excellent build quality and versatile features, making it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists. With 40 foot-pounds of torque and an impressive 400 RPM, it offers the perfect balance of power and speed for demanding applications. The Chemo comes with two 2000 mAh batteries, ensuring longer runtime and less downtime. Its recessed head design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while the variable speed trigger provides precise control for delicate tasks. It also features an LED light for improved visibility and a smart power indicator to monitor battery life. The complete kit includes 7 sockets, a 1/4-inch adapter, a fast charger, and a durable carrying case. The Chemo is slightly heavier than other models, but its performance and accessories more than make up for this small drawback. It's a fantastic all-around tool for a wide range of tasks. Pros include high RPM, dual batteries, and a well-equipped kit. Cons are the slightly heavier weight and a less compact design compared to some competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best cordless ratchet for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.